Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the inappropriate activity detected in the Elden Ring games. So I will show you guys effective solution to fix this error. So go to your library of your Steam, and let's say if this is the Elden Ring games, then just simply click on this gear icon you are seeing on your Elden Ring games, click on its properties and go to the installed files, and here you need to just click on the verify integrity of the game files. By clicking on this, it will start repairing your game files of your editing games, and it will take some time to fix your game files. So you can also do this step to fix this error, and if this does not work for you, then you can apply the next solution. Click on the Steam option you are seeing, click on the settings, and now here click on the storage options, and now here click on the three dot option you are seeing and simply click on the repair library, and then it will start detecting the issues and it can fix the corrupted files, and then just click on the close. It is the built-in function of Steam, so you can use this, and in 90% cases this two solution will fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to hit this like button of this video and also do subscribe to our channel for the more future fixes like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.